The fan that we installed in our kids' bedroom is amazing. I have the remote here. I'm going to show you all the functions and how it works. So I have it running right now. You can turn the lights on and off, so you can see that brightness as well. We opted for like a very simple black and white coloring, and with the plastic, it looks really sleek in a bedroom and it's not overwhelming as well. So that's what it looks like when it's off. Again, when you hit on with the lights, you can change the temperature of them as well. So if you want more of that yellow glow, you can change it to that. So really easy to do that. And then when it comes to setting the fan speed, I usually just pick something on the remote, one of these numbers. 6 would be the fastest, and it gives you great flow right away. So it really does help cool down a room. And we run our fan at night for our kids. We usually keep it on a pretty low speed. And that's if you want it to go the other way. There's different functionality on the remote. Super, super simple to use. You can set a timer as well with it. The remote just goes right here on the wall, always ready to use. And here on the wall, I can still set everything and it works. You don't have to be directly pointing the remote to the fan. This is an awesome fan. I think you're gonna love it no matter what room you put it in.